Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for HKCY073. Knock knock, who's there? It's a Chrysler 2.5. With its typical lovely but she's running real good. Had it running here for about a good 10 minutes now. Very nice car. Anybody familiar with these 2.5s know that's just the sound they make. This engine's got 101,153 miles on it. And the muffler was ripped off on the back side. This was an undercarriage collision. It ripped off one of the brake lines and the rear exhaust. So anyhow, once again, thanks for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for HKCY073. Thank you. Have a nice day.